Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home. Today, we're diving into a common issue with the PS5. How to fix a PS5 that won't connect to Wi-Fi. It can be frustrating when you're all set to game, but your console just won't connect. Don't worry, we've got you covered with some effective solutions. Step 1. Check Wi-Fi network. The first step is to ensure your Wi-Fi network is working properly. Check if other devices are able to connect. If not, there might be an issue with your router or internet service provider. Restart your router and modem to see if that resolves the issue. Step 2. Restart your PS5. Next, let's restart the PS5. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix connectivity issues. Go to the power options in the control center and select Restart PS5. Wait for it to power off completely. Then turn it back on after a minute. Step 3. Update system software. Ensure your PS5 has the latest system software update installed. Updates often include fixes for connectivity issues. Go to Settings, System Software, Update, and Settings, Update System Software. Follow the prompts to install any available updates. Step 4. Forget and reconnect Wi-Fi network. If the problem persists, try forgetting the Wi-Fi network on your PS5 and then reconnecting. Go to Settings, Network Settings, set up Internet Connection Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi network. Press Options and choose Forget. Then, reconnect by entering your Wi-Fi password. Step 5. Adjust DNS settings. Sometimes, adjusting the DNS settings can improve Wi-Fi connectivity. Go to Settings, Network Setup, Internet Connection Wi-Fi, Advanced Settings, DNS Settings Manual. Enter primary DNS as 8888 and secondary DNS as 884 for Google's public DNS. Save settings and test the connection. Step 6. Check for interference. Check for any devices or appliances near your PS5 that might interfere with the Wi-Fi signal, such as microwaves or cordless phones. Move your PS5 away from potential sources of interference to see if it improves connectivity. Conclusion. And there you have it. These steps should help you resolve the issue of a PS5 that won't connect to Wi-Fi. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Let us know in the comments if you have any other topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.